Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're decorating Peeps cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So if you're new to the channel, all of the supplies you'll need to make these cookies are listed in the description, and I'm using a 15-second royal icing to outline my Peep cookie, and then I'll go ahead and flood it in with the same icing. And because my icing consistency is a 15-second consistency, I can go right up to the outline without worrying that it's going to overflow. And once I finish flooding in the cookie, I'll just grab my scribe and settle down any icing that needs smoothing out, pop any air bubbles, and then I'll set it aside to dry completely. Now that the cookie is completely dried, I have a little PME foam daughter here and some white gel food color, and I'm just going to put little white dots on this Peep cookie, just kind of to elevate it and take it to the next level, make it a little different than your normal Peeps. And it's just this simple, and then these cookies will be finished, set them aside to dry completely, and let's move on to the next Peep cookie. So for this cookie, I'm using white royal icing, also in a 15-second consistency, and I'm just going to put a squiggle of icing down and then use a dampened paintbrush to smooth it out and paint it over the bottom part of the cookie. And once I'm done, I'm going to use some edible glitter spray and just spray some edible glitter here. And then once again, I'll grab my pink icing, touch down, lift up, and go around the outside edge of the cookie, watching my line of royal icing and where it's falling rather than my piping bag. And then I'm just going to outline a little heart here right over that white part that we just painted on, and then I can proceed to flood in my cookie. Again, my icing is about a 15-second consistency, so I don't need to worry that it's going to overflow the lines of the heart in the middle or the outside edge border. So just like we did on the first Peeps cookie, go ahead and flood it in, and then use your scribe to settle the icing down and pop any air bubbles if needed. And when you're done, this cookie will be finished. Set it aside to dry. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Peeps cookies are super easy and fun to make, and everybody adores them. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe. In the next video, we'll be painting on Peeps cookies for a nice watercolored peachy effect. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.